That's right. That's right. That's it. That's it. Zay. Oh my God damn, Zay, I said the fucking curve. How the fuck did I end up in this? Like, why did I open my mouth? What was I thinking? Just trying to be a great uncle and shit. Ah, fuck it. Here we go. What up, YouTube? I'm gonna get off into a nice little story, just getting my nephew out. Basically trying to get him into adulthood. He kind of don't be on nothing. He just be, chilling in the crib all the time, trying to get him out and have a great time and stuff like that. So I took my dog out, go get him some clothes and shit like that. Go get him some of that. Then I had a great idea, How about I teach the nigga how to drive, you know what I'm saying? Or how about I teach the little homie how to drive? We ain't gonna call him the N-word. How about I teach him how to drive, whatever? So I'm like, boom. You ever drove before? He like, no. I'm like, you wanna drive? He like, yeah. All right, cool. I get over, tell him all of everything, you know what I'm saying? Shoot, check your mirrors. Make sure you check all of that, your top mirrors. Then I was like, how your seat feel? Your seat feel good? He like, yeah, you know what I'm saying? So he scooted his seat up just how he needed it. You know what I'm saying? Then we got the seat up. I'm like, get your seatbelt on. Boom. I say, you ready? He say, boom. He ready. He put his hands on the wheel. First thing first, when everybody get in that mug, if they ain't never drove before, they just think that mother finna go. Put his hands on the dang on wheel, and what happened? Now we're gonna back it up right now, right? We was not in this mug. We was not in the marrow whatsoever, right? But anyway, we gonna get off into that. Yes, sir. When I don't whip me in the car and make me throw up on myself. Oh, that was, you ran that stop sign, my boy.
Oh, I thought
No, that was a bump stop. Police gonna give you a ticket. Come on, man. Ooh. 25, that's what I want. Look like you're doing 30. Hey, why are you going so fast up in there? You think the motherfuckers gonna move? Come on, man. You driving too fast. Get me back to Burlington. What's the speed limit? I want to do 25. Man, let the people know we going to Burlington. Need to be slowing down. Need to be slowing down. I don't want to yell. Straighten up. Maybe you can't hear me. I want one more time. Let's go. Back to the spot. That's too wide. You ain't driving no 18-wheeler. Let's go. That's right. Give me some gas. Yes, sir. Okay, slow it down a little bit. Brakes. Turn that wheel, bro. Well, bam! We just smacked somebody. You see that? We're on the wrong side of the road. It's an imaginary line out here. So why are you smashing on the gas like that?
I thought I was.
But then I say ease on the gas. Everything is an ease in motion. Nothing is hard. Nothing is hard. Nothing is fast. Let's get it. You got yourself. That's too hard. You got yourself some film for your ass to watch. Yes, sir. Man, give me the Burlington. Stop at that line. Didn't stop at the line, Zay. Come on, man. Give me some speed. Give me constant. Drive this motherfucker. You can't be. We ain't doing no jumping. Drive this motherfucker. Do I drive you around shaking your stomach all up like that? Don't shake me down. Whoa, what are you doing? Why are you smashing the gas so hard? Easy. Everything is easy. You want to use this shit tomorrow too. The way you smashing it's gonna be broke tomorrow. Easy. Come on. Too hard. Okay, ease on in it. Go. Gas it. Too hard though. You gotta ease into it. Come on, ease on up. Yes, sir. This time I want you to bust her right. Why are you still speeding? Didn't tell the people you can't stop at the intersection. Ain't no stop signs, eh? Know what the middle yellow lines mean too. Get me into Burlington. Bam! Right into the front of somebody's car. You see that? You're on the wrong side of the road. Why are we steady going straight? You see that? You're not gonna make that. Because you not turning that wheel like you're supposed to be turning that wheel. Did you look back to reverse before you just get to reversing? Okay. Let go. That's right. Drive. Drive. You're on the wrong side of the road, eh?
Where you want me to go?
Alright, so basically that's what happened, alright? Now I'm trying to be a great uncle and stuff like that, do a good deed, you know, get my blessings in and stuff like that, and shoot, my boy almost goddamn towed the car up. Luckily, we wasn't in the Marrow, we was in my daily or whatever, so I say, I thought about letting the man drive, get him some seat room under, you know, get him some seat time, you dig? He ain't never drove before, ain't never been behind a go-kart or none of that, and it's time for him to get behind this wheel, but he ain't gonna get behind the Marrow wheel. So, anyway, I want to thank y'all for tuning in, right? You know what I'm saying? We're gonna get Nephew together, but we're gonna practice in his mama car and can't be practicing in my junk because, woo, that mud, hey, man. But anyway, thank y'all for tuning in again. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, share it. I need y'all to comment and engage in this mud, you know what I'm saying? Be my friend, be my homie, be my subscriber, you know what I'm saying? Y'all watch me and stuff, you might as well talk to me and stuff. I'm gonna talk back, y'all that. And I'm out. Nephew almost killed me, boy, I tell you. Man, I almost, whoo, shit. I almost got it.